Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Sheets in Android mobile phone, especially on how to use Handle to autofill. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my data in my Google Sheets mobile application. And for example, I'm going to autofill the formula in this D column. I'm going to tap on the cell to show you my formula. Okay, I'm going to autofill it. If we want to autofill, we can select the column or the table we want to autofill. And now the column has been selected and we can tap and hold on it. Then we can simply click on autofill. Okay, and now the formula has been autofilled in this D column. Okay, you can also autofill number in your Google Sheets mobile app. For example, I'm going to create number column like this. I'm going to enter the number. Okay, then we can select the column or the table we want to autofill. Tap and hold on it and then select autofill. Okay, and now the number has been autofilled. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use Handle to autofill in Google Sheets mobile app on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.